What's up, guys? Welcome back to Build Cool again. Today, it's back to work on our dirt bike to street legal adventure bike build. And in this episode, it's time to get this thing rolling again. So we're gonna go ahead and start by getting the swing arm on this thing. We'll take that rear wheel, get that puppy on there, and then we've got to hook up the brakes and address all that. From there, who knows, maybe we can start messing with the wiring harness, but I don't want to jump the gun quite yet. I always say I'm going to get more done in these intros, and it never happens. So let's start with just getting this thing rolling, and we'll go from there. But before we get started, let's go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button so we can keep on building cool. It's really cool to see this channel grow, and I know there's a handful of you guys that are watching that haven't hit that subscribe button yet. And you're going to want to make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that next build we're doing. It's going to be really cool. I'm real excited to unveil it to you guys. But we got to finish this thing first. So one project at a time right now. So with all that being said, let's get started. so it's a few days later now. So we managed to be able to go through and get that rear swing arm all mounted up on there, but I did forget to put that bolt in. So we're going to go ahead and start off today by getting that bolt in there so the rear swing arm doesn't fall off on us. And then we're going to go through, we got to reassemble that rear shock and then get that thing all mounted up. And from there, we'll probably call it a wrap on this episode, and then we'll get into wiring on the next one. So with all that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so after a busy past couple days, we managed to not only get this thing somewhat put back together, but it rolls again, which makes it a lot easier to move it around and get it out of my way and easily put it back up here whenever we're getting ready to film another episode. So I'm really excited for that, and we are really close to getting this thing finished. So you guys are going to want to make sure to go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button so we can keep on building. And that way, by being subscribed, you won't miss out on our next build that we got planned. It's going to be really epic, and I can't wait to drop it. In the next episode, we'll go ahead and address the wiring harness on this thing and start cutting away at that and hopefully get this thing back up and running. So with all that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Peace!